So at Collectiv, we're looking for people who are super curious, people who consider themselves somewhat of an explorer, both in life as well as their career. And we want people to be able to look at problems, deconstruct them, solve them, and then communicate a great solution to our clients. If you value working on a variety of exciting projects every single day, if you want to hone your skills even further, and also if you want to expand your skill set as well.
The main reason that I got into consulting is because it gave me the opportunity to experience a vast array of different project types and different clients. I got to interact and meet and grow with a ton of new people that I wouldn't have gotten to work with if I stayed at just one organization. And that's been extremely fulfilling to me. Here at Collectiv, we like to craft our consultant roles to provide those same opportunities for personal and professional development growth.
Collectiv has been a 100% virtual company from the time we started. We value our culture immensely, and we keep that strong by thinking outside of the box. Hence why we're doing events like this in Austin. We spend a lot of time thinking about this and executing on it so everybody can come together, have some fun, and then really grow as an organization together.
The culture at Collectiv is phenomenal, and that's because we don't build culture, we hire our culture. So as we bring people onto the team, we make sure that they're going to be a great fit for us. But that's really what defines us. It's what allows us to really gel well and work well as a team.
There are two primary things that we look for in a new Collectiv team member. Number one is curiosity about whatever the subject matter is. These are self-starters, people who are learning this kind of stuff in their free time, constantly hungry to learn more. The other thing that we care about is what I would call neuroplasticity or flexibility, the ability to come into a situation which might be unfamiliar and to still succeed, to be able to learn quickly and to have fun while you're doing it.
One of the things we always say is that, you can go and hire a developer. A developer is going to go in the corner of the room, they're going to knock out some stuff, but they're not going to have that business acumen. We're looking for that business acumen to where they can properly communicate that to the client, extract information from the client, and that's all done with proper communication skills. So, the technical expertise, yes, you have to have that. But at the end of the day, you also have to be a consultant.
We have what I consider to be a pretty exceptional compensation package that involves a base salary, variable compensation, 401k match. We will fully pay for health insurance for you and cover your family up to 50%. We have an unlimited PTO policy. We think that it's extremely important that we take care of our team members, and we want people to know about that.
One thing is that we are 100% remote. So as long as you have an internet connection, you can work on the beach, you can work in the mountains, you can work in the middle of nowhere.
You should choose to work at Collectiv if you value freedom, novelty, and doing something different. So whether you've been a consultant before or not, but you have that innate drive, if so, we're looking for you.